So I know I've showed this roller in a couple other videos. From what I can tell, it's like a 70s Roscoe, I believe, like 1-ton roller, made for sidewalks and edges or whatever. Works great on asphalt millings. I just redid my driveway, and I don't know, a few years back I re-engineered the entire drive system on this because it had like a giant hydrostat pump thing with a gear, almost like a gear drive system, and it just grenaded itself. So I went on Northern Tool and I ordered that hydraulic pump right there, which is connected to the engine. This engine, Little Briggs and Stratton, and then underneath there's a drive pump hooked to the original sprocket, and there's a control valve to make it faster and slower. Well, all the way fast, this thing goes like a half a mile an hour, and it's driving me insane. So I went on and found a pump that's twice as fast, and I'm hoping I can slow it down, or even just with it adjusted all the way fast, it will be good, because right now it's not working. So I'm going to pull this cover right here off, kind of expose everything, and sort of, it'll be pretty self-explanatory. This pump is going to replace the pump down in there, right there, that gets connected to that drive chain. So I'm going to wait for this thing to cool off because I just pulled it in here. I'll pull this cover off, and then hopefully I can stitch these videos all together. Alright. Alright, now that I've got the cover off, you can really see the complete system. So, Briggs & Stratton, 11.5 foot-pounds of torque engine connected to this hydraulic pump, which goes to this speed control valve right here, which then feeds up to just a log splitter. That's all this is a forward reverse valve for a log splitter, and that goes down to that hydraulic drive pump, drive motor, or whatever you want to, I don't know, I'm not a hydraulics specialist, but I am a backwoods engineer. So all of these parts pre-hyperinflation were like $1,000 for the engine and everything. All the valves, the drive motor, probably double that now, but 3 or 4 years ago. This cost me $1,000 in parts, and then the pump that they wanted from Roscoe was like $4,000 for the one that I grenaded that was originally on this thing. Plus then I would have had to buy an engine anyway, because the original engine was just going through points every year. It's not fun. So yeah, this pump right here is going to replace this pump right here, and that will most likely be the next video. I'm going to try to stitch that in, but I'm doing all this off a cell phone and I'm not technologically advanced, so bear with me. So I got the old pump out right here. It is just like a 1-inch keyed shaft. And here's the sprocket. So it's just easier to slide the sprocket off. I just undid that Allen key than to try to find the master link in this chain. So I'm going to start the machine up and show how fast this spins right now, so I can show how fast the new one spins and make sense of the whole operation. So give me a minute to get set up. Be right back. Alright, I never really run it at much RPMs, but it doesn't really affect the speed. So you can see the shaft moving right there, and that's at full blast. So I'll turn the speed control down that one spins, forward and reverse. So I'm going to get the new pump hooked up and show you how fast that one spins. The one with the piece of tape on it goes to B. So I got the new pump hooked up at like no speed. About the same as it was before, maybe a little quicker. At full speed, oh yeah, way too fast. Sweet, so I can dial it down some. Still moving pretty good. Still moving pretty good. That's probably about what I want. See if it throws the keyway back out. Yep. I mean, I can still, with this valve, this is all the way slow, this is all the way fast. So all the way fast, it's cruising. All the way slow. Yeah. Cool. I think I got enough adjustability. Once I get it put back together, I can find the sweet spot. Alright, now I gotta put the sprocket back on, bolt this, these 4 bolt holes are those 4 bolt holes. Alright, got it all put back together. There's the new pump. Right there. There's the old pump I just took out. Now, oh shit, I forgot to put the seat on. Alright. So, flow control low. Too low. Oh, yeah, we're gonna run out of gas here shortly. Hang on. Let me top off the gas and try again. Alright, like I said, the speed control, this is low, this is high, and it's already about twice as fast as it was. This is about the speed I want to roll at. This is about mid. There's a pump down there. Oh. Gonna have to be real careful going forward and backwards, going this fast. Put the cover back on. Move her back outside. All right. A couple more of the throttles. Park it over here with my other old stuff. I gotta tighten up that. That's what's rattling. But it's put back together and at least twice as fast as it was before, and now it's set at like speed 2 out of 10. So get on a nice big flat open parking lot, I could really haul on this thing. But now I gotta see if it'll drive up the tilt trailer. I just actually did my driveway with millings. You can see what I rolled out. Going 1/2 mile an hour. I should have did this first, but anyway, it's hot. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace out.